Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, another bonus video. I'm sick to the back teeth of trying to get this format. Another bonus video. As you've seen, an unboxing kind of. I've already opened it, but I've lost a template that just says thank you. It's got to say unboxing and thank you on the thumbnail. So that's all I've got. So we'll call it an unboxing and a thank you. First and foremost, thank you right from the bottom of my heart to Mark Davis. I've been the recipient of some kindness on this channel. When I say I mean some kindness, you know what I mean? Some real wonderful acts of generosity and kindness. Another one today, courtesy of Mark Davis, and my guest has been well and truly flabbered. I mean, rarely am I speechless. I mean, my father used to say, John, you can talk a glass eye to sleep. See, I'm all fingers and thumbs. I'm so excited. Wait until you see this, what Mark Davis has bought for me and had shipped out to me. Bless him. There you go. It came there. Are you ready? You'll probably know. I kind of opened it. Are you ready, Fetch? I want to get it. Look at that. I know, like me, you're probably thinking, no. That's exactly what I thought. I thought there'll be something else. There'll be something else in there. So I opened it to take a look. And the first thing I thought I got was this. It said, a gift from Mark Davis. Stay well, John. All the best, Sean. And then here it is, guys. Look at this. That's the Carbon 316 stainless steel razor. And check out this base plate, guys. Check out that. It's got a little washer on it. I don't want to lose it. We'll put the washer down there. Check that out, look. Isn't that? Oh man, I feel like a kid in a candy store, look. Absolutely wonderful. I'm absolutely flabbergasted. Thank you doesn't seem like enough, does it? But look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Exceptional craftsmanship. Absolutely well weighted. Absolutely beautiful razor. Do you remember Ken at Shea 326? Ken liked his carbons, didn't he? I always thought, man, I wouldn't mind one of those. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to come in here and say a proper thank you to Mark Davis. And please, if you want to drop a comment, you can thank him too. I'm going to have a very special shave with that at some point in the future. And there's 3 packs of blades, look. So we've got some Gillettes there. You can never have too many of those. Green Astras, which for a long time were my favourite blade. Still very, very highly rated. And then the one that tipped them from its throne. Look at this, Johnny's favourite blade. Kai blades. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. They went in there as well. I've been in about an hour. And I've been just sat pinching myself going. Because I just can't believe it. Absolutely wonderful. So thank you, Mr. Mark Davis. That's absolutely wonderful. Look after yourselves, guys. And I will see you on Wednesday. When I use that, we're going to have a good shave. We're going to have a good shave. I was going to leave it until Saturday, but I can't. I'm going to have to. I might leave it till Saturday. Oh, see, now it's what it's done to me. Thank you, guys. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.